here is two fraction combined by minus. Here is x square plus 2x divide x square plus x minus 2 minus 3x divide x plus 1. So first fraction we can take common here x, so x plus 2, and this one we have to factorize, so we can write x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. Look, 2 times 1 means 2 and 2x minus x means plus x, and here is nothing will be changed. Here is x plus 1. Here x plus 2, and we can take common x, so here is x plus 2 minus 1 common x plus 2, right, minus 3x divide x plus 1. Then here is x plus 2, and we can take common x plus 2, so here is times x minus 1 minus 3x divide x plus 1. So this x plus 2, this x plus 2 we can out, so we can write here x divide x minus 1, and here minus 3x divide x plus 1. Now look, here is x minus 1 and here is x plus 1. So our LCM is x minus 1 times x plus 1. So here is x times x plus 1, because once we divide x minus 1 times x plus 1 by x minus 1, it will become x plus 1, so it's multiplied by x, and here is minus 3x x minus 1. Now look, here is x minus 1 times x plus 1, and here is we can write x square plus x minus 3x square minus plus 3x. So here is x minus 1 times x plus 1, and here is what, 3x and x, it will become 4x, and minus 3x square minus x square, it will become 2x square. Okay, so here is x minus 1 and x plus 1, and we can take common 2x, so 2 minus x. Okay, this is our single denominator form. Okay, this is our answer. Hope you understand this one. It's very interesting. Sometime lots of people make mistake in here. Okay, so no more today. If you have any question, please put on your comments at comments box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.